In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find an HMO property on Rightmove. Rightmove is a powerful platform for finding rental properties suitable for multiple occupants. If you're searching for a house in multiple occupations, or HMO, whether it's for an investment or as a living option, this guide will help you navigate Rightmove's vast database efficiently. First, let's start by heading over to the Rightmove website. Once there, you'll see a search bar where you can begin refining your search criteria. The first thing you need to do is type in the location where you want to search for properties. You can enter a city, town, or even a specific postcode if you have one in mind. For this example, let's enter London as our location. This will allow us to demonstrate the search process in a highly populated area, providing a variety of option filters and results. Next, you'll want to narrow down your options to properties that are available for rent. This is a crucial step since Rightmove also features properties for sale. Make sure you click on the To Rent button, which will filter the properties so that you're only seeing rental options. Now, let's talk about the type of property you're interested in. With HMO properties, which typically have multiple bedrooms, you'll want to ensure that the settings align with your needs. For HMO properties, it's best to set the minimum number of bedrooms to 3. Look for the filter that allows you to select the number of bedrooms and click to set it at 3. This ensures that you're searching for properties large enough to qualify as a house in multiple occupations. Once these initial parameters are set, take a moment to look over the pricing filters. The default settings might suit you, but if you have a specific budget in mind, you can adjust the minimum and maximum rental prices to match what you're looking for. For our purposes here, we'll keep it broad by selecting no min and no max so we can see all available options. With your filters in place, it's time to click on the Search Properties button. This will present you with a list of available properties that match your criteria in the chosen location. However, to refine the search to specifically look for HMO properties, you should add a keyword. Click on Add Keyword and type in HMO and press Enter. Additionally, it's wise to also include house share as a keyword to ensure you're capturing all potential property types relevant to HMO needs. And there you have it, a curated list of properties that likely fit the criteria for a house in multiple occupation. Explore these listings, review photos, read up on their features, and when ready, reach out to the respective letting agents for further information. Happy house hunting!